Miss Gray, spelled with an A, and we're gonna react to something along the lines of a rainy day. Let's just get right to it. Full screen.
Everyone cheered for the little knight after he saved the town.
Wow, that was a very interesting storybook. I like the plot twist. True. Shapey, how's item creation going? Well, it is working, but I can't really create anything large. Like a tree? Yeah, I can't create trees, but I can create something small, like this pencil. Well, hey! Hey, BFDI mouth! Do you need to sharpen those pencils?
No pencil sharpener. They're already sharpened.
What are you going to use them for?
Oh, to make this.
Wow! That tower is incredibly unstable!
I got this.
Woo! I got lucky.
You know what? I'll just take one.
Hey, I found a nice pencil.
Nice. Now can we start? Yep.
Bet ready to start a tic-tac-toe 16 in a row. I'll go first. Well, that was boring.
Aw, what happened to this poor pencil?
It's damaged. Severely.
Then let's fix it.
I'll go talk with Pencil Sharpener.
Yay! Let's
go.
So everyone, what's your favorite number?
12.
7. 8001.347 to the 12th power.
That's an oddly specific number.
You know what else is specific? How I'm better than all of you.
Ugh, great. It's AirPod.
And why does it sound like poor people here?
AirPod, can you just leave and not talk about this right now? You've been intruding in our several conversations over the last several months, and it's getting pretty annoying.
Well, you're just jealous because I'm worth more.
We're done here. Goodbye.
Whatever.
What's going on here?
AirPod.
We came by, became annoying, started talking back at us, left with their own words, you know.
Oh, yeah, I get what happened.
Hey guys, you want to see me climb up this tree?
Yeah! Oh no, here comes Creeper! We must run away!
I agree. Wow, I can see everything from up here. Let's see. There's orange peel running around. Oh look, there's AirPod. Oh, I hate them. Let's just see if there's something else. Wow, sticking on pine plant. I think they're going out doing punching practice again. Cool. Temper and Sweet Gunsy are preparing to go somewhere. You guys should try climbing up here and check out the view for yourselves.
Try time.
Guys? Oh, hi, Creeper. Wait, Dark Knight! No!
No. That's bad.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Guys, I think we need to recover more people. Got it. That's a lot of people recovered.
Yep.
Alright, this is the perfect spot to set up practice. Not too much slopes and lots of grass. Yep, and I added more stuffing to the sack for more punch, I guess. Set it down over there. Alright. Alright, go. Awesome. The launch distance is a lot further than last time.
What the? Where are all these pencils coming from?
Up there.
Why are there so many pencils?
I don't know, but we gotta leave.
Oh, hi, potted plant. Hi, sticky nut. How's it? Wait, why are you two screaming?
Turn around!
Why would I turn around? Oh my gosh, I'm running too.
What if I made some sort of shield to block them off?
Yes, do that. Hurry.
Got lots of pencils.
Stop! Yes!
Phew, no more pencils. Ow.
Oh, hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back.
I'm excited to start our third hike in a row. Why are we doing this again? Because I heard that this very mountain has gold at the top of it. But there's only this one in Purple Peak Mountain millions of miles away. I've already searched that place before, but all I found was some coal. Hey, don't say that. You know, coal is pretty valuable too, you know. It may not look good or it may not have good purposes, but you gotta have to work around that. What did you say? I said, you know what? Forget
It's
it.
like teapot too.
So are you 100% sure that this telling is true?
Just so you know, it's just like Teapot 2 all over again, or 1. But Teapot 3 wasn't like that. It was either Teapot 1 or Teapot 3 that was like that. I don't even know anymore.
Yes, I just know the truth. If you take so much truth, think about this. Wouldn't you expect a boulder or heavy rock to be at the top of that rolls down to get you? Who cares about that now? We're almost to the top. All right, here we are. And wait, what? There's nothing here. Someone took it. Come on, machine. I hate to be rude, but I think you took the gold at the top of that mountain.
Hey, why am I getting the gold? Am I really that mean?
Yes.
Why?
Because all your gumbos are expired and sour.
How do you know that?
Because the colors of them are off.
Sometimes I don't get you, Charcoal.
Well, this was a waste of my time. How are we going to get down? Go back the way we came from. That's too dangerous going straight down. We need some backup. Oh, I know. I'll just use my special device to call out to anyone down at the valley. Watch.
Wait, no, don't do that.
So, Boots, how's it going? It's been a long time, hasn't it? That's good to hear. Oh wow, some people are stuck on the mountain. You're back, Boot. I'll talk to you later. Breadcrumb, we need to save some people at the very top of that mountain.
Really? Who could they be?
Spike Guy and Threader.
You mean Sweet Gum Seed and Thimble?
Yeah, those two.
Alright, let's go help them out. Can you give me a lift?
Sure can do. Grab on. You sure this will work? Yeah, I used it before in the past. The people who heard it weren't really happy, though. We're here.
Hiya.
Hi. Can you help us down? Mm-hmm.
Take my hand.
Wait, is that Hexnut sliding down the mountain?
Yeah?
Shouldn't we rescue him, too? Leave him be. He can withstand the downhill rocks.
Hey, wait, what was that Hexnut doing at the top of the mountain?
Static. No one can understand you. Stop speaking.
Barcode!
What?
Wet basement? We want to fix your basement next. We're looking...
Hey, Sticker, do you want to participate in our big race? We're trying to get as many people as possible.
No.
What? Why?
Because it's boring. Not only are you wasting your time because you're faster than everyone else, but you're also running in circles. Don't tell me there's anything stupider than that.
Can you just join?
No.
Please?
No.
Please, 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 please.
Shut up! Don't you have a race to do? Just leave me alone.
Okay, fine.
Alright, guys, get ready. The race is about to begin. I'm super excited.
I'm not sure if I'll win though, but I'll try my best.
All I'm gonna say is, good luck, everyone.
I brought you all here to this dirt road. And now let's start this. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! What? Smear frame wins.
Wait a minute, that was unfair.
Better luck next time, everyone.
Can we do that again?
Come back next week. Wow, my friend Twist, so naive. You have just hosted one of the most predictable foot races in history. What's so predictable about that? Smearframe was the fastest out of all of them. Of course she was going to win. Don't act like you're the smart one here. Just because you're an Echo Fighter with me doesn't mean you're better. Twist's Echo Fighter. Call me that. I just prefer Echo. And even if it wasn't fair, at least everyone had fun. That's all that matters, right?
Well,
Yeah, now that I think about it, I got way better things to do than this, so see ya.
I thought you said there was gonna be a prize.
Yeah, as nice as it was for you to make this race, I'm not very happy. So, bye.
No prize, no fun.
Chloroform? See? Nobody really cared. What did you do? Just spoke a little of obvious truth. I'm surprised that they turned on you so fast. You are literally making no sense. What I'm saying is that you'll never change. Oh yeah? No, look at yourself. You have been... Don't tire yourself out. Wait. Bye. Where are you going? Hi, friends.
Welcome back.
I just had a little talk with Twisp again.
Why do you always talk with her like that? Isn't that a little too much pressure?
Well, yeah, but being nice all the time sometimes doesn't cut it. So you gotta push them a little bit to the edge to get them to listen to you.
Like evil Shapey over there?
Yeah, he never really listens to people. I don't want Twisp to be the same. Plus, he is annoying and terrible at being menacing.
What was that? You ungrateful, nonsensical moron. I'm the most evilest, most villainous person in the area. You better not ignore me.
Now that's out of the way.
I just said do not ignore me.
Can we just sit here now?
Yep.
Are we gonna talk about anything or no?
Nope. Just enjoy the clouds in the sky.
Okay then, let's see. We have some clouds, some birds, a mountain, the giant meteor flying towards Earth, a pile of pencils.
Wait. What did you just say?
Pile of pencils.
No, before that.
Meteor heading towards Earth.
Yeah, where is it?
Over there.
Whoa, a rock in the sky.
Okay, I'm not dealing with that.
Where's it landing?
Over there, by the forest. Not that bad.
Echo.
What?
It's right above us. It's not heading to the forest. It's heading straight towards the recovery box.
Oh, how foolish of me.
We need to move the box before the meteor hits it. Otherwise, we won't be able to bring people back to life.
Agreed.
Everyone, follow me.
Come on, X-Nut. The meteor is falling fast.
Does anyone know where this thing came from?
Nope. We made it.
What can we do to help?
Go start pushing the recovery box.
Dang it, my papers can't reach the meteor. We have to do something else.
Go away. Now what?
Maybe I can use something to throw at it. Let's see. Aha! Oh. Well, that didn't work. Wait, why are you guys looking at me like that?
Out of all the things you could have made, you made a boomerang?
Yeah, why?
Well, what did you think a boomerang would do?
Well, a boomerang could go backwards, so if it hit the meteor, it would go backwards too?
You disappoint me.
Alright then, try some better items. Alright, I'll try. Ow!
Come on, Thimble. We need to climb up the mountain again so we have higher elevation. For once, you might actually be right. Let's go. Hey, wait for me. Can I join? Sure. You are welcome to join us. Oh, I thought you were going to shun me for your own survival. Let's hurry. Right.
Well, we don't have any defense other than hiding. Even that's not an effective strategy. So, looks like we have nothing left to do.
Don't give up just yet, Sticker. We still have a chance. Creeper, counteract the balance of the meteor's power by exploding.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go lie down and you do your thing.
Wait, I see something inside the meteor.
You do?
Yeah, it's some sort of machine thing with a screen on it. You better find out what it is and stop all this before.
Ow. What happened?
Huh, what did happen? 1 minute we were getting crushed by rocks and stuff, and now everything's back to normal.
Yeah, the recovery box is back to normal.
Everyone, quiet!
Sticker's right. Calm down, guys.
Alright, listen up. Do not die, because it's permanent. No sabotaging other people because you hate them. Understood? AirPod, what did I just say?
But this wasn't out of hatred for Gumball Machine. I was just hungry, okay?
Now is not the time to kill other people. I just said that.
What is it, Inkling?
Let's go find out what's in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. Not what I was expecting.
Dad, we got this.
We got this.
How much you got, Dad?
Huh, a new person. We haven't had one of those in a while.
That's exactly what I saw before the meteor crashed.
Oh, great. What do we do?
Nothing. The rock in the sky did this. Not our fault. Is it still alive?
Looks like it's been heavily destroyed. And the batteries are dead.
There's batteries in the city.
But that's all the way on the other island.
The system looks extremely outdated.
Is it even worth saving anymore?
Yeah, let's just forget about it.
What is this thing? Huh?
What did you just do?
I don't know, I just pressed the blue button on the side. I was curious, I thought it looked cool.
Can
introduce myself. My name is Gray, spelled with an A, and I was sent here to make something called an object show.
Hey, I've heard of those.
I don't know what to call it, though.
Who sent you here?
I'm not sure.
Then this show must be pretty mysterious since no one knows where you came from.
And we're all objects, I think. And we're all pretty super
And you're hosting an object show.
mysterious.
objects.
Super.
Show.
Wow, that sounds so cool.
Too bad it's spelled out as MOSS. Moss.
So, what is the prize?
Yeah, if you're going to have an object show, you should have a cool prize or something.
I do have one.
Ooh, what is it?
This ball.
What's so special about a ball?
It's what's inside the ball that counts. It can be money, power, both, or something better. So can you recover dead people? Of course.
Phew, I thought Gummo Machine was long gone.
You will all need to make teams, and it looks like there's 56 of you. So it's 7 teams of 8.
I wish we had 8,201.347 people so we can make around 1,225 teams.
8.8. I don't know what 8 is, but can we make a team and get this over with?
No, I don't really like you.
What?
Creeper, maybe we could start a team. That's what I was thinking.
Hey, Potted Plant, let's create a team.
Of course.
Oh, could I join too?
Alright.
Cool. Awesome. I'll go find some people to join us.
Sounds good to me. Why do we hesitate on whether or not he should join?
Cabbage, let's make a team together.
Okay.
Yay! You're such a good friend.
Thanks. I want a team.
And go make your own.
No, I want it to come to me.
Too bad. That's not going to happen.
You're joining my team, or your face is getting sent into the soil.
Fine. I'll join. As long as you don't act like that anymore.
Yes, my first team member.
Great. I regret this already.
Unity, I think we have some things in common. Let's start our own team.
Oh, sure. Can I bring my friend Gumball Machine?
Of course. The more members, the better.
Yeah, let's go.
Hi, Tomato. How about we make our own team?
Oh no.
What?
I don't want to hang around a person that blends tomatoes and stores them inside themselves.
What? No, this isn't tomato sauce. It's not even edible. It's just a simple mixture of...
Hey, you! Yeah, you! Join me on Floral Floam in our team.
Alright.
Smearframe, you can fly. That will be really helpful. You can join our team.
Yay!
Psst, green logo.
Yes?
Want to join?
Okay.
Hi, garbage.
Huh?
Look down.
Hi. Who are you?
The name's Pencil Lead. Do you want to make a team together?
Sounds like a good plan to me. Hop on. Let's move on and find more people.
Agreed.
With what? Sure, I got nothing better to do. What? Why is that important? Seems fairly reasonable. Can you get off me now? Okay, so there's 3 of us. We need 5 more. Okay. Weird. So, AirPod, how are you going to recruit team members? Obviously, nobody wants to be on this team with you.
Like this. Hey, Piston, join our team.
No, thank you.
I'm not letting you slip away like that. Join our team, you ignorant freak.
Ow, okay, fine. Join. Just let go of me. Why would you team with AirPods, sticker?
Well, I was forced to join, just like how you were.
See. Psst. Propeller, can you join our team? I'm not really comfortable around AirPod.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, pencilhead and garbage.
You want to join our team?
Sure. I mean, I did get rejected by 8.8 Ball when I asked if we could make a team.
Well, at least you're finally in a team.
Okay.
Gary, you're cool. Do you want to join our team?
Sure, I will gladly join your team, as long as Creeper isn't on your team. Oh no, I don't want to be on this team anymore.
Don't worry, I'm pretty sure he won't blow up again. It'll be fine.
Okay, if you say so.
8.8 Ball, can I join your team too?
Yes.
Hooray!
So, if you join the team or not?
You have an odd way of choosing team members.
Can I join your team too?
Yes.
Hooray!
So, if you join the team or not?
You have an odd way of choosing team members.
Twist, do you want to join us?
Yeah, I just want to get away from my Echo Fighter.
Echo, you hate Twist, so join our team.
What? No, I don't hate her.
Well, it looks like you do hate her.
What? I would never.
8.8 Ball's right. How about you join our team instead?
I'm sorry. Are you on our team or something?
No, but I am now.
Okay then. Welcome to the team. What's your name?
Guacamole Volcano?
Yeah, that.
Alien Pineapple, I really love your hair.
Really?
Yeah, you're welcome to join our team. And Breadcrumb, you can join too.
Wow, that's nice of you.
Cabbage,
Yeah?
can I join your team?
Why?
Because your team seems to be bringing in people real fast. So, can I join?
Sure.
Looks like Clover just joined the team.
Yep, I sure am lucky to join this team.
Alright, let me look for more people to join. Hi, Pencil Sharpener.
Don't take my money.
What?
Oh, it's just you.
Oh, do you want to join our team?
Well, yeah.
Awesome, follow me. Alright, we are getting teammates pretty fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, we are almost done.
Why?
I don't understand what you guys are trying to do.
I think what Inkling's trying to say is that you're qualified to join our team.
That's nice to hear. Maybe I'm not seen as useless after all.
Who should we choose?
Maybe we should have the Saurus.
Because the Oruses make you sound smart.
You mean Thesauri? It's the plural form of thesaurus.
Exactly.
Thanks for calling me smart.
No problem.
Can I join for free compliments? Yeah, me too. Let me join.
Alright, you all can join our team.
Yay! Are you sure about this?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta find a team or I'm gonna be picked last.
Psst, over here. Can you find us a few more people?
Only if I can join yours.
Deal.
I'm looking for people to choose, but they all look too poor to be on our elite team.
Stop being so biased.
Look, there's another person that wants to join our team.
Hey, I think you guys should join our group of 5.
Sounds great.
Yeah. Oh, great. Can someone tell me why we have AirPod on our team?
Shh, quiet. You don't want AirPod to be screaming at you.
Oh, right.
Wow, I sure hope we came here for excitement and adventure.
Nope, you just came here for disappointment.
Yes! Now we have a team of 8.
Let's go talk to Gray and submit our team.
Yeah.
Hey, what the? Ouch.
I think banana juice
should be in our team.
Coolio.
And my friend's storybook. So now we have a team of 8 members. We should be good to go.
Let's tell Gray.
Yeah.
Hey, C. Are you considered a reject by everyone else?
What's that supposed to mean?
It basically means...
Actually, never mind.
No, wait, no. Now how are we supposed to get more team members?
Maybe I can help?
Wait, really?
Yeah, watch.
Wow.
Okay, we need one more person.
Marvelous.
We need a few more people to join.
Maybe Static?
Nah, too weird.
What about charcoal?
Yeah, that'll do.
Finally, I get some recognition.
Don't worry, Static. You can join our team.
Oh no, Thimble. It's just the 2 of us left. Looks like we have to split up. How sad.
Wait around. Let's just pick one and let's go find Gray.
Looks like Thimble is joining our team.
Now we have enough people.
Let's find Gray.
Agreed.
Looks like you guys are ready to submit your team.
Yep.
Got a name for it?
Well, since me and my whole team agreed we are the elite team, we're calling ourselves the Gamers, since we are lit, super epic gamers.
What? We never said that, team? The Gamers. It is. You may walk over to the waiting area over there. Looks like you guys have a team too.
Yep, we have everyone here.
Do you have a team name?
Just 1 second, Gray. Everyone, huddle up. Guys, what do we name our team? We don't even have anything to define ourselves.
Yeah, what can we use to make us stand out?
Aha! A tangerine!
I'm confused. What does orange peel have to do with our team name?
Plus, orange peel's an orange, not a tangerine.
Well, since most of our team is close to one color, and another color of orange that can be a fruit is a tangerine, we should call ourselves Team Tangerines.
Oh, hi. Got a team name? Wait a second, a team name?
Well, we are just a group of friends after all, so maybe we can be called the Friend Crew?
How about the fam crew?
Nah, sounds dumb.
How about Squad Goals?
What does that mean?
It means a group of friends everyone else wants to have.
Then I guess that's our team name.
All right, you can now step over there. Hey, what's your team name? Wow, you guys have your team name already set up. Wait over there with everyone else. All right, half of the teams are here, half are not.
We made it!
Okay, what's your team name?
Team Tech.
Because it sounds smart.
We arrived.
Neat. You guys have a team name?
No.
Well, you can make one right now.
Yeah, we're too lazy to do that.
Oh, so you're just gonna leave it blank?
How about Team Blank?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I like it. Now wait over there with the other teams. Alright, so we need one more person and we should be done with registering teams.
We have our team assembled.
Congratulations, you are the last team to register. You got a name for it?
Yes, it was, well, I forgot.
Okay, so it looks like you have all of your teams set up and ready to compete in the first challenge.
Finally.
As soon as I say go, rain will fall from the sky. Whenever rain gets onto you, your team's water counter will go up. The more points you have, the worse. However, you can either slow down the counting by covering your head, or you can completely stop the rain counter by picking up an umbrella. One problem, there's only 3 umbrellas, meaning you'll have to fight over which team gets to use it. So, try to get less rain points than the other teams, and whichever team has the highest rain count by the end of 5 hours will be up for elimination.
Wow, that sounds like a really confusing first challenge. It's melting my mind.
Oh, don't worry about it too much. Just don't get a lot of rain on you and fight for umbrellas, and that's all.
What's preventing me from flying to the sky with that one?
Immediate disqualification and being up for elimination before the challenge even starts.
Bummer.
Why can't I just create my own umbrella like this? Same thing, disqualification. Okay. Now, everyone come over to this line on the ground. Okay, here we go. On your mark. Get set. And... go!
Hey, hop online, let's play.
Oh my god.
Ha! I got the umbrellas first! Ow!
Gary, catch.
I got it.
Here, Garbage, take this umbrella.
Easy. Attention all contestants. It's been 1 hour, meaning you have 4 hours left. And the team in the lead with the least amount of rain on them is... Squad Goals with 216 points.
Oh, get her.
I'll get that umbrella.
Hey, man, get off.
Dang it. Got it.
Haha, take that, loser.
AirPod, we're on the same team. AirPod, for sabotaging your own teammate, you'll be automatically getting 50 rating points added. Dang it, I knew he would do something stupid like that. 3 hours are left, and Squad Goals are still in the lead.
What? How are they still in the lead?
Well, they got Clover on their team.
Wacky?
And since it's 3 hours left, it's time to change up the game. I set up your team beacons around this little maze. That way you can find your teammates faster.
None of my teammates are here. I'll just wait. You know, now that I think about it, I think they're all lost.
We finally made it. Sticker and I arrived with an umbrella.
Oh, I already have an umbrella with me, so I'm just gonna take this one and throw it away and use my own. So if I just press this button, I think the ink damaged this.
It's been hours and my team's still not here. Ow. Huh? Wow, that was lucky. Well, looks like I'll keep it all to myself. Great, I just broke a wall.
I wonder what place we will get.
Don't worry. We'll probably get something higher than last place.
What? You guys were here the entire time?
We got lost and we couldn't find our way to the beacon.
Oh, Well, I got an umbrella.
Finally.
How are we supposed to protect ourselves from the rain if we don't have protection from an umbrella?
Just try covering your head.
Has anyone realized none of it has gotten wet by the rain, and the temperature has always stayed the same?
I know. It's weird.
When does this rainstorm get lightning?
It's just a distraction. Don't worry.
How could it be a distraction if Creeper got affected?
That's because it's not a distraction. Since we have less than an hour left, I decided to add a new challenge. Lightning and thunder. Same thing.
Evil Shavy's immune to lightning. Get under him.
You need to get on
Let's
the
do something.
Try not to all like this.
Get out of there, Inkling. It won't help.
We have no protection against the rain. What are we supposed to do?
Does Squad Goal still have an umbrella?
Yes?
Then let's go steal it.
Why?
Sticky Note has never lost his umbrella, and because of that, we should go sabotage them.
Shouldn't some of us stay here?
Yes, half of the team will go, half will stay. So, who's gonna come with me? Anyone? Alright, I'm just gonna choose some people myself. Alright, so, me, Inkling, Paper Crown, Tomato, and QR Code are going. The rest of you stay. Come on, let's go.
I get bored.
I know. We all laugh.
Is it just me, or do I hear other people behind a wall?
AirPod's being a real jerk recently.
Recently, he's been a jerk for months.
What are his motives? Why does he even act like this? The most important question, where does he get his money? It's just give it to him. If he never had that, he would be a smidge better than he is now.
Snap your W-2 and file Fed and State for free. Simple tax returns only. See if you qualify.
You don't want to see that.
This is a Nissan sales event.
Sorry, I forgot to unpause the episode, so I started.
Your frame is making a path. Follow her.
How long will it take until the challenge is over?
Let's see. Around 30 minutes left.
Hey, Spinny, I have an objection to your plan.
Alright, what is it?
Can't you slow down time like you did earlier?
So for our own safety of disqualification, I will not use that again.
Well, you do have a point.
Hey, what are you doing here? I'll be taking this umbrella.
What? Hey!
We need to find a way to catch them up at a relatively quick pace.
Get the go-kart.
What? How did you do that?
Look, I don't have time to explain. Come on, let's go.
You're just making more riding to us. It's not funny. Please stop.
Wait, Team Neon has 2 umbrellas. We need to chase after them.
How far does this maze even go?
Want to check out and see?
Sure.
Okay, team, let's go outside.
Great, we came out at the wrong time. What is this, some kind of showdown or something?
Alright, there's 30 seconds left. Are we going to end this or what?
Yeah, let's finish this. Ooh, looks like you were gonna battle it out in this last-minute fight. Well, you can't anymore because your 5 hours are up. So, let's see the results. Which means that the gamers lost a total of 10,938 rain points. Better luck next time, guys.
What? How did we lose this challenge? This is rigged. Do you hear me? This is rigged. How did someone as good as me lose a challenge? I'm better than everyone, and you should all know that I'm richer than all.
Darn. Alright, viewers, vote in the comments for who you think should be eliminated on the gamers. Vote by putting their letter in brackets as a comment below. Whoever gets the most votes counted will leave the show.
Well, that was something along the lines of a rainy day. Thanks for watching, and remember, my name is Gray, spelled with an A.